At NVM, we are authorised to use BMW service schedules and tools. So that means we can read the key and update the key with the service data and on your iDrive, follow standardised procedure for BMW, and also update the software components if there is a software update for like the heads-up display or etc. I'll just show you how that works now. So once we've read the key, we actually go into the BMW system. We click on the key that we've just read, and it gives us full access data to all the fault codes and the service history of the vehicle. So, for example, on this vehicle, it's got some dip beam left and right failures, engine levels okay, the temperature of the coolant currently is fine. If we have a look at the software as well, it's on the latest i-level software, so we know that it requires no further updates, and also there is a mapped up update for the navigations. But when the car comes in for a service, we actually update the service schedule via the online system. So we create a new service history record depending on what we've done to the vehicle. So if it's brake fluid, service, oil, etc. So on this car, we're doing a full engine service and brake fluid service. We'll click on that, create the entry, and then we can transfer everything over wirelessly to the iDrive. But we still have to connect the vehicle to the BMW ISTA diagnostic system, so it authorises all the service schedule that we've just completed. So make sure you guys give us a call for all your BMW servicing, maintenance and repair. As you've probably seen, we follow all standardised procedures, use genuine fluids and filters, and update the iDrive system accordingly. The great thing is we are way cheaper than the dealerships, and we follow the same procedures, same quality and same inspection and diagnostics free of charge. So make sure you give us a call.